morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great day.
Good morning. Good morning.
Today is January 20th, and this is Your Scoop. Normally, Your Scoop, Group Scoop is held on Mondays, but because yesterday was a holiday, whenever corporate closes down, the home office, corporate has a holiday, we push the dates out or the events out to the next date. So it's good to see you all today. Thank you for taking time to join us. We'll get started here. And hopefully some of you had a great opportunity Saturday to join Kelly Rowe and Tony Eggers and the team with the sales masterclass. We had a great class on Saturday. I think we had about 280 or so individuals on that training. So that training, it is being recorded. It was recorded and will be posted in Ellis Engage. You go down to Ellis Engage, you go to full service, small biz, small group, and that link will be posted there underneath training. So just know that the sales masterclasses are recorded and posted, just like this group here, that you can review them later at your leisure. So let's jump into this segment today. Hope you're having a great day again. Ken